Hello everyone, we are here to a new video about my journal day, which came to be a pretty nice inner win. I mean, the readings were kind of exact. And let's start the day with the overnight session. In the overnight session, market dipped a lot. After that, in the morning, that happened. Yes, in the morning, with 9 a.m. Market came back to the bear fair value gap, and this was practically the strategy. Price swept the recent bull buy side liquidity. Price came back, and practically the strategy that happened today on a larger scale is this one. Swept the BSL, came back to OT after the sweep, and it looks something like this to the next sell side liquidity. Not this. This is changing the state. It should be displaced out these levels, which they did. We are looking here. So market came back. Market also in the morning dip make some market structure shift, because you can just analyze this. I don't think these are not good conditions for the market to trade. This is choppy. The trade in the morning, it's just one trade because I saw my strategy on the lower time frame and I decided to take it, because I have some conviction in this strategy, because I used it pretty much and I back tested it a lot. So not this. Market took highs from here, pretty much came back in the rebalance area, also swept the SSL to come back to these levels and reacted, also reacted to the bull OT from this bigger time frame bull OT from this area. Reacted, you can see displacement to the upside. Price ended up displacing down, showing the intent of the price. Price balance to the OT of this range. It's very important, this range. Aligned perfectly, respected perfectly to the tick. And it just displaced down. After displacement of the recent change in the state, which is this one, I entered, got a feel about here, stop loss the next, take profit at the next low. This was not the initial stop loss. This, I think this was, or something like this. It's not the best RR in the first in the first moment, but I had the conviction to do this. I had all the pieces. After the displacement down and this candle especially sweeping the liquidity from here, I reduced my stop loss to this level, because why would it want to come back at these levels in this range? On the bigger time frame, if you apply this strategy in this state, it's not that exact, because you enter here and need a large stop loss to cover all of this. And in these moments where you see that it's going down and you see that fat candle up, most of the traders would exit, including me. But it's still part of the strategy, because on the bigger time frame you could get this type of entrance, because it was on 5 minutes and entrance was on 1 minute. You could let the market go to these levels, but because of the news you don't have to. At least it's more risky to do this, because we have this USD core retail sales. Even we are on a JPB JPY, USD affects pretty much a lot of the market, a lot of this market, forex market. Where look, the 330 candle, how it looks when the USD drop. This looks crazy, and no displacement after it, no intent, market is unsure, do not trade in this condition. These are bad conditions. And showing this little trade is not about the numbers, it's about execution, because I saw it, executed it, respected my stop loss, respected my take profit. I did not reduce my stop loss on emotions or anything like that. You have to reduce and act on what is the market giving you, not on anything else. And that's much pretty the trade of the day. For me, it's a great trade with just 110 pips, but with 110 pips you can do a lot of things because trading is scalable, and with 110 pips you can win even a, I don't know, high on a big numbers. You can get the big numbers with a small take profit. And that's it. This is the strategy, better shown here, but it's the same thing with other form here. This is the ideal form, like you see here. And just went to sell side, crazy trade. This would be a crazy trade, but I was sleeping in this time. Also, there are points where you must watch for displacement. I mean displacement into the trade. There are levels which you see displaced. If I wanted to see the sell side to be met, not to be if I wanted to see the sell side to be the drawn liquidity on smaller time frame, I should have hoped for this level to get displaced, not to be swept, like in this part, because it has not enough momentum for the price to go that low, and it swept all the traders here with a liquidity trap. This is the liquidity trap right here. Swept them, and I see the drawn liquidity, which was the sell side liquidity, has been taken. And this is the report of the day. Hope you enjoy my video. See you next time.